Hey guys, so I want to talk to you really quick about this sprinkler that I bought. As you can see, it connects through this piece here onto our water hose, and as you go along the line, it will come with adapters for you to be able to connect where you want your sprinkler heads to go. It's provided with two different types of sprinkler heads, one that's called a fan and the other one's called a vortex, and this is what they look like. So that one that was way over there is actually connected here, and basically you will cut this small 1/4 inch little line to be able to fit these adapters, and then you will go ahead and actually twist this to show how much water you actually want coming out. Now my house is 75 feet long, and we wanted one sprinkler to go ahead and water all of our front plants. So we had to strategically use just the right amount of sprinklers so that it did not pull too much away from our water pressure. So you can see how those will go ahead and twist on, and then these are removable, and then you can actually go ahead and change them out. So you can see this one's got a little bit of algae on the inside, and what I do is I basically just put it right on top and I clean that algae out. There we go, nice and clean. And then I take it and I just screw it right back on top. And so now it's clean, and it'll go ahead and spray out a little bit more. So these are the fans that you can see, and again, kind of adjust it to how far you want it to come. And then the vortex ones, or vice versa, are gonna look like that. And they have all these little holes all the way around it. And then again, you can adjust it to come out more or less. Move this almond verbena out of my way. So you can see this one's kind of a little plugged up. So what I can do is take that off. Oops. Take that off, rinse it out, and then put it right back on top, and then voila, it's clean. So we have used this all along our front yard, and it looks really, really good that it's able to go ahead and water everything that we want it to. Just make sure that however many that you are connecting, that you don't add too many, because then you won't have enough water pressure all the way towards the end of your line. What I really liked is that you could connect, there's an adapter there, you could actually connect to one, and then you could piggyback off of this one and you could come another one. And I've done that with some of my hanging baskets. So it makes it really, really nice to go ahead and put this on either a sprinkler timer, or, go ahead and set a timer for you to water everything that you need to in your front yard or your garden, or even your, landscaping. So I actually have this in my front yard, and then I've also put it in my garden as well. And it's worked absolutely amazing. I've had this system already for going on a year, and I have really, really loved it. So thanks guys for watching. If you felt the review was helpful, please go ahead and hit the thumb below so that other people will know that this review was helpful. And y'all have a great day.